Curiosity, they said, killed the cats, but the satisfaction of finding out what was happening brought it back. Today's video is how you stay focused on getting what you desire in your life. And they come with the 3 B's before them. So the first B is be curious. The second B is be kind to yourself. And the third B is be your best. So this is what we are going to talk about in this video, especially if you are the person that desire to live your fulfilled life according to your version of the vision of the life you desire. You need to know exactly what you must do to get there and how to channel all of those energies to get you there, because you want to have a certain life in a certain way, to do things in that certain way. And being focused is staying there. But when you get to being focused, you must also learn to be curious. To be curious is the first one we are going to talk about right now. How do I become curious? You become curious when you stop and observe. When you listen and you're silent and you are aware. All of that? Yes, all of those. You observe. You are aware, you are silent, you look at things and you see what it is going on around you. And then that triggers your curiosity button. If you're curious, you must take the time to go after what it is, lift it up, open it, dissect it, find out. You cannot just depend on what you already know or what you were taught and what you believe is enough to enable you to have the fulfilled life. You see, most of that is from others, parents and teachers and siblings and friends and neighbors and family. Is it from you? Is any of it from you? So when you look at this situation and you say, the awareness of where things are at that moment. It might be somebody having an experience. And because you're in the moment, you realize what's going on. You become curious. A choice is made by you. How can I adapt this, imitate this, bring it into my life? Or how can I be sure to make sure that I do not have that experience? Curiosity, they said, killed the cats, but the satisfaction of finding out what was happening brought it back. So if you're curious, go to it, ask the questions, listen, observe, contemplate on it, dissect it in your mind, and then choose to do something about it. Your second B is be kind to yourself. But I love myself. I care about myself. I do things for myself. I really love myself. You do? So why is it you persistently criticize your weight, your face, your color, your accent? You criticize where you live. You criticize what you eat. No, you don't love yourself. You're criticizing yourself. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. Accept yourself. It comes under kindness. Kindness is a virtue. You be kind by you watch what you eat, what you swallow. You be kind by the words you use about to describe you. You're not stupid. You're not poor. You're not broke. You're not unworthy. Watch your words. If you send out the energy of negative words describing yourself, you're not being kind to yourself. You're kind to yourself when you take the time to love yourself, to say good things about yourself. Because when you say good things about yourself, you're also sending those very same good things out there to others, and it comes back to you, makes you feel better. You understand how things are going? Yes, be kind to yourself first. Because when you're kind to yourself, you're enabling yourself to learn more, to feel better, to do better, and appreciate who you are. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. Our third B is be your best. What you mean by being my best? Exactly what you heard. Be your best. Be your best every day. Wake up every day to be your best. Because you see, you want to stay focused on a fulfilled life, on a great life for yourself. So how can you do that if you're not being your best as much as you can in every moment and second of the day? How do you do your best? By watching what you do. Whatever you're doing, do not do it in a lackadaisical attitude. Put your best foot forward. Stand in it. Believe and know that, yes, I have done my best. I have done my best indeed. Some might criticize you for what you just did. And then you can look them up, shoulders back, head up straight. I did my best. I did my very best. You are on your way to creating and designing the life you desire to live. And it's not a vision of what your parents or anybody else for that matter had planned for you. It's your choice. And in doing so, you have to do your best because you designed it. You decided it. So if you're going to dress so you feel good and you feel you did your best in putting yourself together. If you're going to go somewhere and be your best when you get there. Do not ignore, do not be insulting, do not be unhappy. Find something in the environment where you are to make sure that taps into your very essence and cause you to be your best. Because you're focused on becoming this amazing human being. And you can only be that person if you decide to do your best. So you're focusing, right, to be and to create that life in the future. So your future self can live in that life you're working on now. And every step we take every day is doing just that. So what I'm asking you to do, stay focused on what you desire to become or to have in your life. Be curious, learn from others, ask questions. Be kind, respectful of yourself first, so you can go out there and be respectful of others, and others can turn it back and be respectful of you. And when you do what you do, be your best. When you show up, be your best. When you love, be your best. When you smile, be your best. When you feel it, be your best. Because you have a plan and you desire to be the best that you can so that you can live the life you planned all along for your future self, who will say to you, it's a good thing, you know. I'm so happy that I was curious enough to learn from others. I was kind to myself when I had so many reasons not to be kind to myself. And then I had so many opportunities to be my best, and I did. I'm happy I chose wisely because you see, I'm living the life that I planned because I focus on the 3 B's. Be curious, be kind to yourself, and be your best.